Enti area no me bro video bi a me ka kire say eno ekopie mu Kpandai northern region Kpandai ekopie mu honomo prior to the election run na abeda honomo ekopie mu honomo as na ye NDC for mpanifo omo ekoye ha o mesi aye omo campaign for 2 weeks e di animi am yakoto about am me ka kire o say honomo no there was a catastrophic occurrence a beast wo anase moboro ebetigu NDC mpanifo so buru obo ma baako ewuye we comedians or TikTokers no abe react to this issue. Me wan chire mu no chire wadwe amame. E wo comment section. Hi Penyah Block Media. Me so say need mo. Obe like video no ada mo put subscribe button na be click beneficial account of latest updates na be chire wadwe ndi amame. E wo comment section. So ba so a no share for enya bi ahwe. It is literally about 3 weeks ago. Anna Tamale High Court nullify Kpandai seat. Kpandai parliamentary seat. As na honorable Matunyindam ana etiso on the ticket of MPP. Tamale High Court echiremu said there be how 24 elections say call no. It wasn't fair. It no. O man nullify seat no. Yenkoya rerun. Yenko by election. Ewo honomo. No kwa you know at the floor of parliament, the MPP side, the MPP's caucus in the house no. They actually attacked the NDC. There was an run. Anna NDC in Penyah be almost deputy general secretary. Mustafa Bandi. And you see if Yamin, Echo PMO, a honomo, Omone constituency, NDC for no more a honor, Kpandai honomo. There's Omuku Shakoye meeting, Anna Omoko join a Penyah. 2 weeks here, dear Nimi, Amiako trouble because easy HM said, you better abano 30th December 2025 as a pay calculation. You were literally 2 weeks. Any dear Nimi said, I to abano. A don't question a meeting as to how to go about that. How we say a campaign any other day. No. And there was an unfortunate moment. Meeting Nicholson out of nowhere. And a mob brought to see Montenegro. A mob brought Pio meeting as then there's some shared. Some of the shoe more honomono. Not any easy. Almost woman to the point they say. NDC, one of their executive members, at one anonymous yedo. Of femu ewe amana ebiso prepare he ohwe kwabuna ne na no pass les ya ho no ana enye easy omu prapa mo bro ne hwuo mangasa ama you know and none of ameti me hu sana Mustafa Monday I go PM one of the TV station na o kire nsem o kire mu say you know that mo bro na bebu wo mu no it was orchestrated by the MPP and I was like how
training MPP is on the ground and bro the malam for me and South Niger am ye ko wie campaign wa babitra wo mu the beast my beast by way party for Libya cow.
Oh, a bianco. Yes, so crowd beast boy book.
Name monkeys play by size, they match your own team in your group.
Maybe oh, parties are be there, draw. Malam for me and son if you have
Promuhono, Obian said beast, a drew. Am I yet a Yakudia? It's done by Salaga, Woolensi, Dembila, Yendi, Sabuba, Chamba. Edeba obi anim se saade no ayakodia magonya for battery for a gomba for and I'm say na response will be said then enti enye bibi hu bi saado akwakoye bi amoma very parties but it will forever stay on the hands of the MPP ni matini na say
oh parties area ho no be ni ho na say like where you were no there's no
possible be rekra yetimi na be score na yakobo football na you who say, oh, baby, so it's a weapon that we have there. We know. We are going for an election. Matrinidam is in Kpandai and the MPP campaigning.
Malam for me and Sana or Mudio Mabano.
Malam for me and Sana or Mudio Mufin is there. So if the case is in court, why do you bring Malam to Kpandai?
Now, Malam, the Omuko Twaba saying.
My MPP for Sabom too, because now. Bibi anye ye ma wo mo ntom fi ka aduro e no mo de be impose candidate wo mo so ba fi aduro no se NDC phone ni aduro a ti e be ha e na be ha se ni ko no kete
mo so mo be pe bala bi me boa
ye de me say na Kpandai phone o ni ekro nti ma tu yinda mo nji Kpandai phone ni di so ko free o fa aduro free ni ya sa de me ni
abato a ekoso wo Kpandai no mo de nuro na ekoto aba no
Mumbita MPP4 because woman and yet the air court a meeting and a phone meeting and the phone meeting why I can't call and one call you a beast no very young column. Well, we know ourselves. Marty is our brother. Well,
yeah, the beast are the beast by Brumo to campaign but also with beast. Yeah, they Brumo.
yeah, but Siba Bian, but the Alcobiana Okuta, smoke in it, car.
Like how? Mustafa, that's not make idea. It doesn't make any sense. How can you say MP before the more brand good? It only makes sense if only say Muhu say obi ekura kuku obi and now obi achechira de bi ebe ja to one mo dey fine. But out of nowhere, na say more na ka say tooth the baby. Abadia, how can you reward this to obi say eye ono na baby. It doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense. It makes no sense. It doesn't make any sense. There was a concerning this issue now. And on a comedian as well. TikTok is rich. That's in fact over the Omoniaji.
Yes, se uhu ntokwa kwa onyaminko bi mawo se uhu wasemka onyaminke bi mawo JB mano NPP for JB mano odimafu nyame obeba mobrabu omuda yes garafo empenimfo se ubu okotokwa sere nyakopon yede to Garafo, say the real Nakuposi Buofu no, wa NDC for to be more or the Abaya day. I want to Garafo, me said yes, you are Kpandai Garafo. I didn't say, me trust and train Hoka Garafo, Mentiase, Garafo, the real NDC executive for more Kpandai, and my brother see Pupa Kunakun Garafo. Yes, it's a walk, so Buku Sieno, that's a man from the Ghana card and Kapwa. I'm watching, and now Bonsampa would order day. Oh, Garafo, any pano as a beef, Garafo, Obabu, na Garafo, we had the Yamiase, say any NPP for, and 1 3 months. Now, we had the Yanko Pon, Tiasimus obey, Obabu, Garafo, where the Amabu was your Kumu, Omukua, Garafo, ready and say, aha, it is a yes, Yanko for an wardrobe, Garafo, yeah, NDC for an wardrobe, near Smama Bruno, aha, no more Kabu, and Garafo, say, what is said the NPP for, as when you NDC for one word draw. Next other fans are there. Backwato. Yes, what the back was whatever you. We have your press and send me a try for me. Now, as I trust here, they will more bread. Punk of wait here. Gavo 2028. Still possible. Yes, it possible. Now, Shama, almost an anado. NPP Nyame. Dr. Mohammed Dubaomi Nyame. What does he day? Etiase, Medase.
I am me de. And NDC for Akoshia Pandos a hen. Nemo brobo abuomono. They say any pair of bomb my more bronze wabomo. Say and so on hene now find him for Cheshire will be on some more that. If we are seeing palm, I'm a more bro and more so clap palm. Mabo, tomorrow with the Yanko Poyamo. Moon yame and a dapsono. Mo ready the dasono e mo bro pa e bi diablada chese mama ewiase ni panyina buofu ama emo nyina kula buofu emoa ebuofu emo bro ohun de nyankopon yemo afa na mese magi Ghana sofo bi ni modie se wo mo ka se yemfomso esa men dis baby ma enima ye behunu ye bedwane hwe afi baako mo hu niema ekoso ene de enipa ka eluplay chese enima atomo no ene de enipa bomo ema ka bomo emoburo enso efiri nwulem abebomo se mo hu mo ne mu guase enim guase we de so emoburo mo ya de me na me momo na obi bomo a e na me nyemo obi ekomo a na me nyemo mesi abeya mufa kuntuna se ebetena so no nyankopon ebu antone yemu abesi nne nyankopon yakoye nkotodwe ni masre bone fa chama mo still na nyankopon so won fa nche mo nne fa nche mo chena se mama ahiafo bi egususu mama enenyankafo esku abowo mo mama ene abatan bi anka wo kun ni mo wagya wo mo nkola no mo aye single mother na kana na adoni MPP aban hwe wo mo se ekunu na mo bebo sa nyema wo nyina aguo esesa Ghana ska nyafu saa ko bi na ye friend US blogger bi na Sa boy ni de mesi. Mi hu word ya memfama no. Wa bon agimi ama ni ba bi agimi. Wo hwe nanimu a de beda na ha mu nyina agimi. Enipa wagimi ho, be ma wagimi so hwe ne hwene a ho. Wo hwe ne hwene ntam se na wo hu se nipa we wagimi. Mo de ya boy no kasa mo hwe ne hwene din. Mo be hu se asema meka ne ye no kore. Wo se ayi mahama ban ena ma bodyguard nka no. Enso abema no na ma bodyguard se garden no ema ye di Ghana sika etria ehoka enne abetodwa se boy no wonnama yivi wosi toilet so kura bodyguard garden no MPP ni anka wo sa US blogger kura senior be mu a oye mo kom se de chi saman wodi kom akodi NDC achi enso still na won so sidi ye unya kaple enso so be kwaso agimi ada emobro na ene de ebomo no eye me
Ghana for asemaba kase enibre enye enibre wohoi enye enibre nso wohoi ede wo ena de nam ed breaking news aba ne say NDC for koye nhyiemu o Kpandai sa city na people for winning na chenchina NDC for so mo beje no upon super majority omo nyina so NDC MPP seat back on almost on Beijing Kpandai, Omoko meeting or home. Yes, about 30th December. Omoko meeting or Namoko yen. And I yanko ponce. Monsa uncle for we. Ye media ye munina, mostra money brady. And andoa. And andoa. The friend beast. To go almost. And ye, in so she work as a bo. Bista bro mo ama nipa ba kokora fa no nipa no wu ne ya reho de so bro mo mpo no jai ne de anka ne de anka nya reho na mum nipa wu de nipa wu abem ne de ne ya reho mum nanso NDC fo ni brade nti de esi wo Kpandai no NDC fo koye meeting e fa about no number 30th December yi ho e na bis akọ bro mo meeting puni na about what time Wambati mukakanka.
Chow asam na esi o Kpandai no wate. Ay, we di etuo mu osum. Me se Kpandai asam na esi wo no wate. Me si ewiem etuo mu osum. NDC executive bi ena o makohia no mo dwendwen kwan a rerun election no ebeba so o Kpandai. Na mra o mahia meeting ne koso no. Ena beast etigu omuso na me pacho omu face achiachia ebinum anim abehwe omachi ena ebinum so achi abehwe omanim me pacho the way a beast na si abo omu no enye easy hey me say ena udu Kpandai a ewa ye din wo bi nkono bi aba because we die mu owiem
Siafoɔ na saying because of lumbar issues in it. Now say me political way no now say me feel ho kakra but maybe so NDC for NDC government what are you people looking for again am mo hwehwe MPP government me menti afi hwe mo pa parliament won mo ma MPP from boycott na MPP for nyamfa mo seat emeka NDC for nothing is going to change. Na 1992 to 1996 omo no mo occupy a friend is a parliament NDC for nkwa because they do boycott omo boycott so that time MPP boycott parliament enti NDC for ne running Ghana business Ghana government NDC ne running through the parliament and everything nothing changed. So enti Kpandai na mo kwaji abeka ayi mo seat Kpandai na mo ni abra mo se mo je no mo je di abeka wan na ayeden ni ehun se NDC for baba power enye di ehie NDC aban 24-hour economy no amafo ho kire wo mu na anu ya wo nse nyame atwa moka meet ya mokoye ye na mbrobro emobro bees akobo one of the executive member and we free mo enti ense ni signal bi nkyeremo eno a Dr. Manebo amaye edi omo koye ema Dr. Omane Boama hwemframa chenchire pan fire nti enka bibi nkyerɛ mo NDC from Penyah enka bibi nkyerɛ mo amani abre and we are going to Kpandai rerun and we are going to hey me say MP NDC for mopa MPP seat ni na mo contest ni na munyi ni na munyi 270 75 for science 285 na mo ntena ho ni yenhwe se ade ade papa bempa na mba ya magana man ade papa bempa kofo na bae no baye game changer 1992 to 1996 we hold the parliament NDC for montimi amfa montimi amagana nyete se China montimi amagana nyete se America kofo baye obaye the first time no kuta 96 and independent for the omode ekoka president kofo de ho and the many majority of parliament and no kura she the president kofo yeah at that time and a free man from kofo mills time na mo ya majority nothing change ena Mahama baye 2012 ena Akufo-Addo baye mo hwe massive changes sisan still mo gu so pre mo me say mo pakura mo pa mo nsisa ni nyina mo pa seat ni mo nsisa ni nyina na mo re ni ye said something will change. Kpandai for be wise, Kpandai be wise and this 14 so many years o ma anya hwe ya mamo be wise.
And a 4 quick one fast forward. Beye na watchini ena Kpandai electoral area constituency no. The Speaker of Parliament is say young konko toho aba. Na sa ekunya na ye MPP ekunya ye in 2024 ye nyaye. Na pinche kakra se the NDC for claim say seat no a ewo ho no. Electoral areas ni bi wo ho a omu wini ya say ye kokore round. Intino court and I say ye kind of say parliament I say yenkone to abano ewo electoral areas no bi na eno enama MPP ene NDC for abomodin esi ewo Kpandai krom ho campaign be 3 to 4 days near omone delegate wo krom ho constituency ni edin komo na enra yesin hwehwe yese hwew the NDC for ekokodu so omo ye campaign no ena emwa no ayefre omo wa ana beast no etigu omo so if you say na adwen papa eni omo trim ekwan a omo de MPP faso na enye to nyankopon epa omo so ntama eye ema empo enipa ba ko hwere omo nkwa na nipa no hwere omo nkwa na ye me yade na nso subambonia NDC government aye na adwen so obeye MPP no eno no nyankopon ate ntesukoko edegu omo so a eno a wo wabu omo ama ba ko hwere mu efa mo hwere omo nkwa na wo hwe pictures no a eni enyan onipa ba ko kra de na ni nyina hata a mpanimfu a wo ya hwe omo na bisi ya hwe omo enya sem ketwa pictures na wo hon eno na ekere se onyankopon we uhu kwa onkubi mawo na oti MPP for asemama wom.
Kpandai constituency no a simple one and almost any damn NDC say yempe NDC wo party no okrom ha yempe say yebe hu manim yempe anything to do with you people because you people don't respect us sa na mo pese mo kire but see enwa etimi abu NDC executives amabakun ewu. It's a very strange story and I'm very sure say wankasa kurano you've never heard of something like this before because me ever since I was born I've never heard say politicians akwa shame ama enwa be bu amabakun ewu wa bunna amabakun ewu many wo ka say ohyemo kire ewo eyeketa krache constituency hospital at say wo honom enwa bees omo ye ho ni ya yedi bi esugani ade omo ye ho honey omo bu chese NDC executive na me ka se ba kun ewura chese enya sem keto at se ebi NC that the first in history mate se bibi say esi ewo oman Ghana mu. It's very strange. I've never heard of anything like this before. Yet say nsemu se but something like this die ebusuaminti bida na me busebu no mo say Kpandai hono no constituency a say no mo pa no mo pe bi no mo pa bi no mo pe Now mom say NDC PC now I'm person obedi MP by force no. Obedi MP da. Obedi MP no. Kpandai for na kasa nuom ho so mo to abade ma sa man no. Yes. Omo nuom ho. So mo to abade ma no. Enu to mo show Omaka mo said there is no way to aba ediama NDC or Kpandai constituency. There is no way. Be some mistake no. And until no much like as a kinds of mess your dream. So there is no way they are changing their mind to vote for the NDC. But the NDC with the super majority of Omunyeshua parliament, the useless super majority led by the useless president you have ever had in the Fourth Republic, are trying their possible best to win every seat. And that is when Kpandai for listen on, bro. We're gonna allow this. We are not going to allow this fucking shit to happen. And actually say Kpandai and one more Kpandai, the bees of Kpandai. Actually, I'm be the bees of Kpandai, the Kpandai bees. Actually, I'm say, Meladina or mother side, what about Kpandai? Yawa. Yes, me say, where you know a gist to gist. Like I said, gist. Kpandai constituency there. The bees of the good people of Kpandai say, how no. The better will say the country, another no the town is for we the people of Kpandai. Therefore, you can't sit somewhere and decide what happens in Kpandai. Yambo and Sema the bees of Kpandai. The bees of Kpandai, Mabwe Juma. The bees of the good people of Kpandai. The Nananum of Kpandai. The laws of Kpandai. The gods of Kpandai. The great ancestors of Kpandai constituency. Much they say yes. Mon song pasia sem so. Mr. The very day about to abano. Mumbu NDC for them say ya. Mumbu a global big line so to aba NDC dia maba mon kono so na mumbu ne mami. Mumbu amu na yan to aba ni wie na omunya zero in all the polling stations. Yes, Ramo, the good people of Kpandai Yejimudi, because the beast of Kpandai actually say some bibu baby. You see bibi ni baby akeda here. Yan to yan say sa asam no kan no create. The beast of Kpandai ama me yan say sa asam na de biya mpanyifo ka say bibi ni wi asan keda yan to puno no. No create.
Ubeta achira wa adwe ama me. Ewo comment section. You Penyah block me there.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!